Hey guys, this is Tint and we are learning PHP, and in this part I will show you if and else condition in PHP, right? So let's see the example and understand it. So I have a variable which is n1, means number 1 is 20 and number 2 is 10, right? So we will add a condition. So if, right, we are understanding if and else, right? So if $n1, which is this one, is equals to $n2, right? So if here to here, means this block here to the this block, you can see this is highlighting, right? So if this is true, it will run, right? So which is a true, true, true semicolon, right? So we know that the n1 is 20 and n2 is 10, means 20 is equals to 10. So we know that this is this condition is false, right? So let's run this project, because it will return null, right? And return nothing it here, because this condition has false, right? So nothing, this block will not run, right? So this will not run. So the next condition is else, right? If this is false, this will run, right? And if it is true, this will run, right? So put it echo and false semicolon and say this is false. But when you make this is a 20, because 20 is equals to 20, means this is a true and it will return true. Just refresh, right? So this is tutorial based on the if and else condition. We will discuss more in a further videos, but for basic understanding if and else condition, so now you have understood if and else condition, right? So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions and doubt, you can write a comment, right? So next part I will come with a new thing. Till then, bye, take care.